Have you ever taken your vehicle somewhere to get your transmission serviced, and then you go to check your transmission fluid and find out it's overfilled? Or maybe you serviced it yourself and it's overfilled and there's no drain plug on your transmission pan. Well, I'm going to show you how to get the transmission fluid out without dropping the whole pan if there's no drain plug accessible. Right here, I have this kit. We're going to extract. You're going to pull your dipstick out, put it to the side. Comes with this tube. Make sure it's clean. You're going to stick the clean end of the tube. Make sure the whole tube's clean. Down into the dipstick tube until it hits the bottom. Then you're going to put the other end into this pump. Bear with me. So we're going to stick it right in there. Make sure everything's wedged together. So now we're going to pump it. You can see it sucks the transmission fluid out. Now I'm doing this with one hand, that's how easy it is. Now I'm not going to drain too much out because the transmission fluid is fine in here. This is just a demo. See, as you can see, it's sucking it through. Easy as that. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to comment below. Greatly appreciate it. Take care.